Welcome to a video by abronexportsvideo. This is LDR characteristic apparatus. Here we have already given you, this is the LDR which is there. It is light dependent resistance. Here it is connected to the 1 milliammeter, and one is this is voltmeter, and this is a power supply built in with the potentiometer. When you just move this, the voltage is changing, and with the corresponding the current will be flowing. Let us say if it is on 2, it is on 0.4 volt. You can see almost very little, and on this 10 and the higher current is passing. But it will change. There will be no almost negligible light if it is covered. That's a working of the light emitting diode. You can see this you can put the graph and change the readings. And this is the experimental setup to study, and then you can check up. These are the experimental setup. You can WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp number is 99922222049, and email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. Videos, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. You will love the videos, and check the other LED characteristics, xenon diode characteristic, and other characteristic apparatuses. Thank you very much.